All right, so most of our racks obviously are built out of steel, Schedule 10 steel pipe to be exact. There's a lot of benefits to steel. One being it's really structurally sound, strong, stout material. One major disadvantage to steel is that if it gets scratched down to bare metal, you tend to see rust. So what we've developed here is an exact replica of our racket rack, but it's built out of aluminum. Aluminum, obviously, the biggest benefit is it's corrosion resistant. But it's also a very lightweight material. So rather than having a 200-pound rack on your vehicle, you can get into this rack right here, and it's probably going to weigh, I don't know, maybe 100 pounds, 75 pounds. I mean, this rack feels about 70 pounds, and there's no way in heck I could do that with a steel rack. So you do have a benefit there, lightweight on your vehicle to save on gas mileage, but you also have a corrosion-free rack. We did a little bit something different here with the rope hook. We went with a boat cleat instead of the hook that's stock on our normal rack. It just gives you a little added tie-down accessibility with a bigger hook. And we offer a 4th extra crossbar with every rack. This actually comes stock with every rack, and we just did that for a little more rigidity since it is a lighter weight, softer material. We only load rate these racks, aluminum racks, at 1,000 pounds, has a 1,000-pound capacity, and that's just because, once again, it is a lighter gauge material. The only thing that we cannot do on the aluminum rack that we offer on their steel racks is the overhang length. It can't exceed 62 inches, just because if you get more span than that out here, the overhang will start bouncing, and you could tend to lead to some stress areas that we're just more comfortable with recessing that overhang back a little bit. But we do provide a wind deflector piece for the front on this item, and that just helps foil the wind and create a nice aerodynamic flow over the cab of the vehicle. But yeah, and it does come with a powder coat finish. It comes with what's called a heavy silver powder coat finish by Cardinal Powders, and we provide this system for all 1000 series racks and 3000 series racks, which are camper shell style racks as well.
Great, thank you, Gary.